how to access the environment. Before going to access, how to create the environment, and then later how you can able to access your daily recorded sessions, and then later how you can able to access your previous batch recorded videos as well. Okay, first let me create environment. For that I'm going to entering one, better will make it Word document, so that in future you will have an option how to access that document. Yeah, the first thing you should have to know, go to the website called Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Finance and Operations Center. Okay, once if you go and copy that link, or even if you click on it, we'll go through one of the website which is on Microsoft website. Okay, you can go to that place, and then later you should have to enter your email ID, which is provided by the Microsoft. So not Microsoft, which is provided by the Dynamics Global Edge IT solution. For me, they have given one user ID that is called support@ Dynamics Global Edge IT solution, that is djid.com. Once if you enter and then click on enter, or you can click on it, then the website will go and check which is no you have entered, which is created by the Dynamics Global Edge or not, and check if it is created by the Dynamics Global Edge, and will let you know that looks like you already a Microsoft customer, sign in as support@djid.com to get Microsoft Dynamics 365 for operations with your account. Okay, and then later simply enter sign in. Once if you enter sign in, yeah, on here you should have to enter the password which is shared by the Dynamics Global Edge IT solution. I'm going to enter my password which is shared by. Okay, and then click on the sign in. For me, for security purpose, I have selected phone number or authentication app. Even I can approve it by going through the authentication app as well, which is an optional. Even you can configure it. Authentication app, or even you can use your phone number as well to get the OTP. Once if you select the authentication app, then you will get a notification in your mobile, approve it. Once if you approve it, then the system will be allowed to log in. For me, I just approve by using my mobile to log in, my credential by using that. Because which is security purpose, the Microsoft is strongly recommended to use authentication app if you would like to start someone to misuse your credentials. If someone knows about your user ID and password, even though the person trying to log in will not be cannot be logged in unless otherwise if you have to. Okay, and which is very strongly advise you don't share with your credentials. If it is shared and misused, the Dynamics Global Edge used to run audit drive on weekly basis. If the same user ID, if it is logged in multiple system or multiple states, they will get a notification and it may be chance to suspend your account also. Okay. If it is your personal system, you can save it. If it is not your personal system, then click on the no and clear. Okay, and here you can see this one. You already have a license for Microsoft Dynamics 365 for operations. Your username is support@djid.com. Simply click on get started. Then the system will go and check and will create the environment within the 15 to 30 minutes of the time span on here. Okay. So far it's clear. Anyone have any doubts about login? Sorry, environment creation. And here you can see this one, the system is checking 15 to 30 minutes to complete. You are currently provisioning your trial environment. This may take, this is the time. You will receive an email to link the environment when it is ready. Okay. Once environment is ready, you can save it as a bookmark, which is a trial version purely. Okay. Every 15 to 30 days, that environment, it can be expired. You can follow the same steps once again. It will be created new environment once again. Okay. So far is it clear? Anyone have any questions? I'm talking about how to create an environment for practice purpose. Everyone is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I hope
Yes, sir.
everyone is clear.
Yes,
You
sir.
can try the same on your system. Okay. Second thing is you can download. You want to activate your credentials. I'm talking about your credentials activation. You should have to download one app called Microsoft Authenticator. That one you can find either from your Apple Store or from your Google Play Store. And then later you can go on, download your Microsoft Teams and then enter your user ID and then click on sign in and then click on next. You will get in the notification and then you can click on the next and then there you can find one scanner ID and then you can scan it by using your mobile so that you can activate your authentication. Okay, that is about the second level. When it comes to third level, how to access your previous batch videos. Okay, this is a URL. There you can find https://web.microsoftstreams.com. From there you can able to find the previous batch videos. Okay, which is on here. You can see this one, that directly if you click on here, then the system will be open one website. From there you can go and find it. Let me click on it so that I can show you for my credentials what are the videos it will be. Because I'm an administrator, i'm I'm as working as a trainer. For me there it has many batches, only one batch. But for you, you just have to click on, go to your discover, click on videos, so that there you can find list of the videos. Okay. So for each and everything, what is the for chapter wise, we used to tell you on here. You can go through that one. The first one, general ledger. This general ledger, what are all the things it will be covered. Okay. You can find it. You can go through that one here. Okay. So far it's clear. Anyone have any doubts? Okay. And when it comes to Microsoft Teams download, you should have to use, go to website, enter Microsoft Teams download, and then there you can see the website called teams.microsoftteams.com. I'm going to share the link as well because here you can find, click on download for desktop, download it, Teams for school and sorry school, download for Teams for work or school. Okay, don't download this one. Download it this one. I'm going to copy paste it. Okay, you can find it on here. Okay. Let me show you, how the sessions will be recorded, how you can able to access it. Okay. So you can see my screen, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Hmm.
Okay. This is the glance. On here you can see this one. It was started 7:53, and who are the people it has been joined when the recording has been started. You can find it on here. Okay. And then later you can see the recorded session, the previous batch when it was started. The last previous batch there you can find on here 42 minutes. On this way you can find, you can access it. Okay. On the previous one also you can find. Actually, no, we are supposed to be conduct the survey link, which is daily, you can express. Okay, if you're having any concern by filling that one, the management will came to know that they will try their best to providing as per your requirement, which is understandable. If it is required any modification under that, you can submit on daily basis. This is the way the daily recorded sessions will get updated. The same we can able to access it. Okay.